Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 29, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. 9th row and 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 1. 8th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 5. 7th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade. 4 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 5, 8. Column G, we have 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. There are only one number remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 7, 9. Column E, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row and 7th row, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column J, 7th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 4th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column I, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 10th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7, 8. Column C, we have 4, 2, 8. That 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6, 9. 1st grade, we have 3, 9, 6. That 3 numbers can't come this cell. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 6. 7th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column C, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come here one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5, 9. Column B, we have 3, 9, 5. The 3 numbers can't come 3 cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. Column B, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 8 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 4th grade, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column F, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column E, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 2nd row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column E, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column J, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column F, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, Two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column J, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column J, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.